Have you ever pondered the mysteries that lie beneath the ocean's surface? The vast expanse of the world's oceans is a realm of enigma and profound depths, a world that remains largely unexplored and unknown to us. When you gaze out at the seemingly endless blue horizon, remember that what you see is but a tiny fraction of the ocean's incredible breadth and depth. Imagine the tallest mountain, Everest, standing majestically at over 29,000 feet. Now, imagine plunging it into the ocean. Its peak wouldn't even break the water's surface. That's how deep some areas of our oceans are. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our oceans, plunges down to a staggering depth of nearly 36,000 feet. That's a depth so profound that light itself cannot penetrate it, an abyss that plunges into inky, eternal darkness. But the ocean's depths aren't just dark. They're also under immense pressure. At the ocean's deepest point, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. That's equivalent to having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on you. This pressure is so intense that it would crush a human like a soda can, making the deep ocean an environment as hostile as outer space. Yet despite these extreme conditions, life thrives in the ocean's depths. It's a testament to the adaptability of life and the mysteries that the ocean still holds for us. But it's not just life that lurks in the ocean's depths. There are also mysteries and horrors that would give even the most seasoned horror fan a chill down their spine. The ocean, with all its vastness, darkness, and pressure, is a world of mystery and awe, a world that we have only just begun to explore. It's a world that, despite its proximity, seems as alien to us as the distant stars. So as we stand on the shore looking out at the endless blue, let's remember the mysteries and the horrors that lie beneath. Now, brace yourselves as we delve into the top 10 most unnerving facts about the ocean. Starting our countdown at number 10. Welcome to our thrilling journey into the deep unknown, where the mysteries are as vast as the waters themselves. We've prepared a chilling itinerary of 10 terrifying facts about the ocean, designed to make even the bravest among us shudder. As we navigate through this countdown, each fact will be unveiled one by one, building suspense as we descend deeper into the abyss. From the ocean floor to the unseen currents, from the unknown creatures to the silent tsunamis, we'll explore the most horrifying aspects of the ocean's depths. But remember, this is no ordinary countdown. Each fact holds a unique terror, a distinct shiver that will run down your spine. The ocean's mysteries are far from comforting, and our countdown promises to reveal truths that will unsettle your understanding of the world beneath the waves. Are you ready to dive in? Our journey into the ocean's 10 most terrifying facts begins now. Number 10. The ocean floor isn't a tranquil sandy plain. Far from it, in fact. Picture a landscape more akin to a rugged, mountainous terrain, complete with deep trenches, ridges, and undersea volcanoes. This is not a serene underwater panorama, but a world that is constantly shifting, reshaping, and evolving. The ocean floor is home to the tallest mountains and deepest valleys on Earth, all hidden beneath a shroud of eternal darkness. These formations pose potential dangers, from undersea landslides to volcanic eruptions that can trigger tsunamis. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point in the ocean, plunges an astonishing 7 miles into the Earth's crust. Its pressure is 1,000 times that of sea level, enough to crush an SUV as if it were an aluminum can. This rugged terrain is also a graveyard for sunken ships and lost artifacts, swallowed by the abyss and preserved in the cold, high-pressure environment. Imagine a landscape more rugged than any mountain range on land submerged in darkness. At number 9, the pressure of the deep sea. Now let's delve into the weighty world of water pressure. Picture this. For every 1,000 feet you descend into the ocean, the pressure increases by about 440 pounds per square inch. That's like stacking about 50 compact cars on top of you. Imagine the immense force pressing down from all sides, a force so powerful that it distorts the very shape and form of things. Even the toughest creatures of the deep have evolved bizarre bodies just to withstand this crushing reality. Consider this. The deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench, plunges over 7 miles beneath the surface. The pressure there? Over 8 tons per square inch. That's about 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. Now think of our human-made submarines. Built of steel and designed to withstand extreme conditions, yet, under such pressure, even the most robust submarine can be crushed like a soda can. Number 8. The ocean's terrifying inhabitants. Imagine being in the midst of an impossibly vast, inky black abyss, surrounded by creatures so strange and fearsome, they could give your worst nightmares a run for their money. Welcome to the world of marine life, Take, for instance, the viper fish. With its long, needle-like teeth and hinged lower jaws, it's a creature straight out of a horror movie. Or consider the goblin shark, a deep-sea dweller with an extendable jaw and a snout that would make any horror aficionado squeal with delight. Then there's the anglerfish, a gruesome predator that uses a luminous lure to attract unsuspecting prey right into its monstrous jaws. And let's not forget the tiny but deadly cone snail, whose venomous sting can be fatal to humans. In the ocean, even the smallest creature can be a deadly predator. In these depths, horror isn't a genre, it's a way of life. Number 7, the infamous Bermuda Triangle. This enigmatic region bound by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico has long been shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Stories of ships and airplanes vanishing without a trace, never to be seen again, have fueled its reputation as one of the ocean's most chilling enigmas. While some dismiss these occurrences as mere coincidence or navigational error, others are convinced that something more sinister lurks beneath its azure depths. Theories range from magnetic anomalies that interfere with compass readings to otherworldly portals, and even sea monsters. Science, however, offers a more grounded explanation. Meteorologists argue that the triangle's volatile weather, characterized by sudden, violent storms, could be responsible for these disappearances. Oceanographers, on the other hand, point to its deep underwater trenches and strong currents as potential culprits. The ocean holds many mysteries, and the Bermuda Triangle is one of its most perplexing. At number 6, the ocean's dead zones. These are the hauntingly silent areas of the ocean, where oxygen levels plummet so low that they become uninhabitable for most marine life. Picture this: vast expanses of water, once teeming with life, now reduced to underwater wastelands. These zones are not the result of some natural catastrophe, rather, they are the chilling aftermath of human activity. Excessive nutrient pollution from human activities has resulted in an explosion of algae growth. When these algae die and decompose, they consume a significant amount of the oxygen in the water, creating hypoxic or low oxygen conditions. The result? Marine creatures either flee these zones or perish, creating eerie underwater ghost towns. With over 400 known dead zones worldwide, this is a terrifying reality of our oceans. The largest of these spans an area larger than the state of Florida. Imagine vast underwater deserts, void of life. Number 5. Pollution in the ocean depths. It's a grim reality that our beloved blue planet is not as pristine as we'd like to believe. Deep beneath the waves, where sunlight can't reach, lies a haunting display of human disregard. From plastic waste to toxic chemicals, our oceans bear the brunt of our wasteful ways. Imagine a world where delicate marine life coexists with discarded plastic bags, where the sand is littered with microplastics instead of shells. Picture the silent devastation as toxic chemicals seep into the ocean's depths, disrupting ecosystems and poisoning the creatures that dwell there. This is not a dystopian fantasy, but a harsh truth. What's even more chilling? The fact that these pollutants can take hundreds, even thousands of years to break down. They linger, haunting the depths like ghosts of human carelessness. Our actions on land have repercussions in the ocean's darkest corners. At number 4, the ocean's acidification. A chilling transformation is taking place beneath the waves. Our oceans, once a sanctuary of life, are gradually becoming more acidic. This is due to the massive amounts of carbon dioxide that we are releasing into the atmosphere. As this gas dissolves into the ocean's waters, it forms carbonic acid, which in turn drops the pH level, making the water more acidic. This silent shift is proving to be a deadly nightmare for countless marine species. Creatures like corals, shellfish, and plankton struggle to build their protective shells in acidic environments, leaving them vulnerable to predators and harsh conditions. But it doesn't stop there. This disruption in the food chain ripples upwards, affecting larger marine animals and even us, humans. We are living in a suspenseful thriller, where the villain is our own creation. The ocean's chemistry is changing, and the consequences could be dire. Number 3, the unknown creatures of the ocean. The vast majority of the ocean, almost 95%, remains unexplored. Imagine the kind of creatures that might be lurking in those mysterious depths. We've only discovered a fraction of the ocean's species, and every dive into the abyss brings us face to face with creatures we never knew existed. Just picture the colossal squid, a beast of the deep that can grow up to 46 feet long, with eyes the size of dinner plates. It was a creature of myth and legend until we finally discovered it in the late 20th century. Now it's a haunting reality of the ocean's depths. And then there's the goblin shark, a nightmarish creature with an extendable jaw and a long, flat snout. It's a living relic from the age of dinosaurs, and it's only one of the countless species we've discovered so far. What other terrifying creatures might be lurking in the ocean's unexplored regions? Number 2. The unseen currents of the ocean. A world beneath the surface that can sweep away even the strongest of swimmers. Imagine invisible rivers flowing within the ocean itself, powerful enough to transport massive amounts of water across vast distances. These are the ocean currents, unseen and often underestimated. They hold a power that is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. They can displace entire ecosystems, influence weather patterns, and even alter the course of human history. Yet, despite their immense power, they remain largely invisible to the naked eye. Even the most seasoned sailors and ocean explorers have been caught off guard by these unpredictable and powerful streams. Respecting their might is crucial, as underestimating them can have deadly consequences. Just as we fear the creatures lurking unseen in the ocean's depths, we should also fear these unseen currents that can pull us under and sweep us away in an instant. The ocean's currents hold a power that is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. And finally, the number one terrifying fact about the ocean: the silent tsunamis. Imagine a wall of water, towering and formidable, racing across the ocean without making a sound. This is not the stuff of nightmares, but a real phenomenon known as silent tsunamis. Unlike their noisy counterparts, these tsunamis are not preceded by an earthquake or a noticeable change in sea level. They are triggered by underwater landslides or volcanic activity, and they move stealthily across the ocean, undetected until it's too late. The damage they can cause is devastating. Entire cities can be wiped out in the blink of an eye, lives lost, homes destroyed, landscapes forever changed, and the most chilling part? We have no reliable way of predicting when or where they'll strike next. A silent, deadly force, tsunamis represent the terrifying power of the ocean. We've journeyed through the ocean's depths and uncovered its most chilling secrets. We've traversed the eerie silence of the ocean floor, felt the crushing pressure that could obliterate even the sturdiest submarine. We've encountered the ocean's bizarre marine life, some so alien it would give H.P. Lovecraft a run for his money. We've navigated the infamous Bermuda Triangle, known for its mysterious disappearances. We've explored the ocean's dead zones where life struggles to exist and witnessed the pollution that's tainting our ocean's depths. We've seen the havoc wreaked by ocean acidification, threatening our marine ecosystems. We've pondered the unknown creatures lurking in the deepest trenches, their nature only guessed at by our wildest imaginations. We've been swept away by the unseen currents that could pull the unwary into their icy grasp. We've felt the silent tremors of tsunamis, nature's stealthy assassins, lying in wait beneath the ocean's surface. The ocean, a realm of beauty, mystery, and terror, reminds us of our planet's vast and untamed nature.